According to the experts, you should definitely try this 2-ingredient combo. Just mix baking soda and honey and consume this mixture for 30 days. Unfortunately, many people around the world thought that mixing baking soda and maple syrup or honey is a bad thing. Cancer cells love sugar, and mixing and heating alkaline sodium bicarbonate with sugar, rich maple syrup or honey binds the two together such that the maple syrup targets the sugar-hungry cancer cells, which consume 15 times more glucose than normal cells, and sneakily carries the baking soda into the cells. This means that you will use the maple syrup or the honey as a Trojan horse. How this works? Well, the alkalinity of the baking soda either kills the cancer microbe or reverts it to its hibernation form inside the cancer cell in such a way that the cells reverts to normal. Or it has an alkalizing effect, forcing a rapid pH shift that kills the cell. The shock wave of alkalinity allows more oxygen into the cancer cells than they can tolerate. Cancer cell is reverted or eliminated before the sugar delivery can cause cancer cell growth. The recipe: you just need 2 simple ingredients, baking soda and honey or maple syrup. It's very simple. You just have to combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda for every 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Because there are 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon, the ratio used is 1 part baking soda to 3 parts maple syrup or honey. For example, mix 4 teaspoons baking soda with 4 tablespoons maple syrup or honey. This should be enough for a week. When you mix these 2 ingredients, cook the mixture on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes and make sure you don't put this mixture in your refrigerator. How to consume it? The experts say that you should consume 1 teaspoon of this mixture 1 to 3 times per day for a maximum of 1 to 2 months. Don't take this mixture too close to meal times. During this therapy, you need to change your diet. You need to cut down on meat consumption and avoid sugar and white flour.